Okay, this video is discussing number 37 on your benchmark, writing exponential functions from graphs. If you will write that problem number and title on your answer sheet. So looking at the graph in front of you, this would be an example of exponential decay. We know it's decay because it is decreasing as we go from left to right. It's going downhill. Now, we need to write the function, so we need to identify some ordered pairs. I can see two very easily. Going left to right, I see 0, 9, which is also my y-intercept, which is also my a in the function y equals a times b to the x power plus c. It is my y-intercept, my a. And then I see my next point is 1, 3. These are clearly marked for me, and it's really all I need if I want to calculate this by hand. I simply take 3 and divide it by 9. And if I get 3 divided by 9, my answer is 1/3. That is my B. Now this makes sense because B equals 1/3, and I know this is decay, so I know my B has to be between 0 and 1. Okay, so I have my B, and I have my A, which was given to me, which is 9. So now I can simply write my function, g of x equals 9 times 1/3 raised to the x power. Now, I can also calculate this in Desmos. I can press my plus key, bring down my chart, and in my chart, put in my ordered pairs, 0, 9, 1, and 3, and then put in the function y1, tilde, a times b raised to the x1. That will also give me my A and my B. Okay, let's go to the next one. The next one now we see is not decay. It's growth. It's growth because from going left to right, we are increasing. Now we're going to do the same thing to find our functions. Left to right, we have two ordered pairs. We have our y-intercept again, 0, 4. And then we have 1, 7. Again, to find my growth factor, I'm going to go and take 7, go in this direction, and divide it by 4. Now, I can leave it 7/4, or I can turn that into a decimal, which is 1.75. B is my growth factor, 1.75. A, again, is my y-intercept, which is 4. So now I can write my function again. F of x equals 4 times 1.75 raised to the x power. Again, if you want to put it in Desmos, press the plus key, bring down your chart, put in your ordered pairs, then put in your y1 tilde a times b raised to the x1. This will also give you your A and your B. Okay, I want you to look at this problem, answer the question, and put the answer on your answer document, please.